Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you wondering if it's possible to bypass detection for AI-generated contents? Well, you should know that I have personally tried an effective method that can truly evade strict AI detection solutions like Turnitin, GPTZero, and more. In this video, I will show you how to completely bypass AI detection. Let's go. AI tools can be helpful for content creation and research, but AI detection tools are becoming more sophisticated. To ensure the originality of your work, it's important to avoid submitting purely AI-generated content. Let's start by creating some AI-generated text using a tool like ChatGPT to illustrate this point. To ensure that your AI-generated content bypasses detection, you can conveniently use an AI bypass tool that I have personally used and confirmed to work better than others on the market. Another advantage is that it serves as a two-in-one solution that is able to both check for AI as well as humanize the text. To explore this tool and potentially unlock its full potential, click the tag in the top right corner or find the link below to get the tool's Pro version at a discounted rate. Simply copy and paste your AI-generated text into the dashboard, then click Check for AI to assess its detectability. If the content is flagged, switch to the Humanize function to generate a more human-like version. This process involves rephrasing and restructuring the text to evade AI detection. What's more, I felt that the text sounded more natural compared to the original. Once your content has been converted to something that looks human-written, you can paste the text and add it to your document. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.